Hi guys. I'm gonna do with this app is like a typewriter, of course. But hold on, I just go forward. It types. Oopsie. This is hi. And hello. Oopsie. Hello. You can end these stories after I can, but it's like a little typewriter. Yeah. Because that cost $2 for the app. It's like I like a sherbet on it. This is 2 and shift. And this is 2 o'clock. Yeah. That's all.